about 5 billion in the first tranche to try and cushion Kenyans. And
Yes.
you explained that this was meant to ensure that you can continue cushioning Kenyans.
Yes.
However, just barely weeks later, what we are seeing is that those fuel prices have gone up significantly, yet much as you say the government has intervened
Yes.
significantly, people are still feeling that pain. And this is leading to a lot of Kenyans feeling that the government is inconsiderate.
No. The government is completely considerate. You have not considered that if we did not intervene, what would have been the prices today? And I will point out to you.
Yeah.
Today, we are selling, for example, diesel at...
Continue.
Can I continue?
Yeah, sure.
This diesel is going to retail at 200 and... Let me allow you.
Yeah,
it's going
go
to retail at around 242 shillings, isn't it?
Yeah.
That is the latest price. Without the cushioning, we would be at 273 shillings, around that space.
Mm-hmm.
So the cushioning that the intervention that the government applied is what has reduced the price to 242. Still high, but it must be recognized that there is something that the government has done. I will tell you, petrol would today be at 311 shillings if there was no cushioning at all from the month of February to date.
What would have happened if we removed all the levies and all the